I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch! You motherfucker! He grabbed that shit so quick. You.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me, sir.
Really? You cannot eat them. Oh, okay, I'm not getting near him. He's literally so mad. This is what hot Cheetos do to people.
Nugget? Okay, you have to pick one. You have to make a decision.
Nala, you can't have that. No. Nala. Nala, excuse you.
You just ate.